At 80 Acres Farms, we grow a variety of leafy greens, microgreens, and herbs, serving more than 1,500 retail and restaurant establishments. Every farmer is limited by the space that they have, and every farmer is working to increase the number of turns that they can do within the space that they have. And it's no different with us. We're always just trying to see how we can grow our crops faster and still maintain the quality that our customers expect and deserve. How do we continue to work to increase yields? We're working on all of the main variables of control, how we use our lights, how we irrigate our plants, how we control our climate. But then we're also looking at what can we do from the point of the seed, because it all starts with a seed. So we began collaborating with the Zaindu team in the initial trial period. So the first step was to understand whether ActivatedAir was going to increase the germination rates on the crops that we were struggling with. Spinach is a great example of this. Different seed lots of spinach have different germination rates. So you might get one lot in that it comes in with an 80% germination rate. You might get another that comes in with a 90% germination rate. You might have one with a 60% germination rate. We want all of them to achieve 90% or above. We started by looking at that crop and seeing if we could get consistently above the 90% germination rate by using the ActivatedAir. What we were able to see initially with the sorrel germination and the spinach germination really put the ActivatedAir ahead of the other technologies in terms of what I could gain in my production system. So aside from germination, we also see faster growth rates in the early stages of development. So this is particularly important for crops that have a pretty short cycle. It's also important for crops that are growing to a specific spec. So if we only want it to be 6 inches tall, if we can get it to 6 inches tall faster, that means that we can reduce our cycle times and get more plants out the door. One of the reasons that we chose ActivatedAir was because of the ease of incorporating it into our current production systems. Other technologies were not so easy to do that with. With the ActivatedAir, we're able to simply put the machine in our seeding room, treat the seeds as we need to consume them, and it's a very smooth process. So for any grower that's thinking about using ActivatedAir, it's what are the crops that I can apply this to? What is the potential yield benefit that I can get just from increased germination rates? What is the potential yield benefit I can get from increased growth rate? And those numbers translate into dollars.